to Rome's Reviews, everyone. Do hit the subscribe, like, and bell icon button so you don't miss any of our upcoming reviews. Let's make our channel grow. Leave a comment if this review is helpful or a suggestion on a review you would like to see. Do share this video. Welcome to my channel, everybody. I'm Rome. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Please leave a like, a comment, or a suggestion. Today's video in the How To Tortilla series is tortilla chips. If you haven't gotten a chance to watch the other two videos in the series, how to warm them, and churro chips, cinnamon sugar, there'll be links to them at the end. Let's get chopping.
Homemade corn tortilla chips. Each tortilla does weigh about an ounce, and a national bag of corn chips does weigh about 12 ounces. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 corn tortillas, which is about half a bag. I find that 6 tortillas cooks evenly in the air fryer. If you put more, it doesn't cook as evenly. I will chop them up into a regular sized tortilla chip. Give them a small toss just to make sure all of them are separated. You need a large bowl, some type of oil. I'm using avocado oil. We did run out of olive oil. You can use a corn oil, or you can choose not to use an oil at all. I do find that the light coat of oil does help crisp the tortillas. 6 chopped corn tortillas. Give them a good toss. You'd want an even coat of oil. If you notice, the tortilla chips start to become a little more shiny. That's when you know that they got a good coat of oil on them. Set the temperature to 360, the timer to about 9 minutes. And you can play with the timer depending on if you like yours more crunchy or less crunchy. I am down to 5 minutes now. I like to take them out and give them a toss. It does help them fry more evenly. In this way you can gauge whether or not you think you might want just a few more minutes or the total 5 minutes. When the tortillas aren't done, they will continue to crisp for about a minute or 2 more. So if you don't think they're done enough for you at that time, give it a few more minutes. Homemade corn tortilla chips. Flour. The flour tortillas are generally about the same. They weigh about an ounce. I don't think they have a national flour tortilla chip brand. Here I'll have 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 flour tortillas, which is about 6 ounces, which would be half a bag of chips. And the flour tortilla chips, to me they taste like a taco bowl. The flour tortilla that you would get if you went to a place and you asked for a taco bowl. Good toss, make sure they're all separated. Use the same large bowl, some type of oil or no oil. Give the bowl a nice turn. It'll help you to coat the tortilla chips when you put them in there. 6 flour tortillas, chopped. Give them a nice toss. Make sure they get a good even coat of oil. Temperature at 360. Timer at about 9 minutes. Repeat the process. Add about 5 minutes, which is about halfway. Take them out, give them a good toss. This will let you determine how much more time they need, and spreading them out like that will help ensure an evenly fry. And now they are done. Homemade flour tortilla chips. Great for taco salads, nachos, a cheese dip. So good. I do hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Try it. Hope you like it. Homemade flour tortilla chips.
Today's video, and welcome to my channel. I'm Rome. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you are a subscriber, welcome back. Today's video in the how to tortillas chip